How to blur the video background in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application and select the project that you want to blur the background of. Now as you can see, I've already selected the project. Now after selecting the project, what you have to do is just scroll down or just swipe it to the left of the menu on the menu bar at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be able to see the option of background over here. So just tap on background and you'll have four options over here: color, image, blur, and brand backgrounds. So you just have to select on blur, and you just have to select on what kind of blur you would want for your project. So if I select on this one, I'm going to tap it all and give it a tick, and you just have to resize the video to get the blur video background in CapCut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.